Let's graph the linear equation y equals negative x plus 1. And we'll do it two ways. We'll use a table of values, and then we'll look at slope-intercept formula. So let's just do a table of values. Put a value in for x, we get a value for y, and then we graph the point. So let's start with 0. That's always a good place. If x is 0, we have negative 0. It's just 0 plus 1 is 1. How about 1? Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. And then 2. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So these are the points that we'll graph for the equation y equals negative x plus 1. So we go to 0 for x, y is 1. Then 1 for x, y is 0. And we could stop at 2 points because we could draw our line, but I'd like to have a third point in case I made a mistake here. And we have x is 2, y is negative 1. So let's put a line through this. Then we could put arrows to show it goes to infinity. And this is the graph for y equals negative x plus 1. And we could have used any points here. I just used these because they kind of fit nicely on my graph. Let's look at slope-intercept formula now. So if y equals mx plus b, b is the y-intercept, and that's 1. So if we go over here and we go to the y-axis and we go to 1, that's where our line, that's going to intercept the y-axis. For the slope, first off, let's just call this negative 1x. It's still negative x. But then we can say negative 1x over 1, which is still just negative x. We have rise over run. And what we can do is we can go over to this y-intercept. So we're going to rise 1, let's go up, and then run, go over 1. But we have this negative 1 here, so we don't really rise. We go down 1, over 1. Then we'll do it again. Down 1, over 1. And you can keep doing this, and you can see all the points there on our line here. So that's how you graph y equals negative x plus 1 using slope-intercept formula. And whether you use a table of values or you use slope-intercept formula or another method to graph y equals negative x plus 1, you'll get this line. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.